Hey guys, welcome back to KITT Raceway. I'm pretty excited. I have a worldwide version H case of 72 cars I'd like to unbox today in front of you all. So let's not waste any time and get started on this unboxing. I hope everybody is doing well out there. Keep your hands clean and stay safe. All right, let's get started. Okay, that's that. I set the camera down. Now, let's get this puppy open here. All right, looks like the Super is the Audi, while the regular is the Chevy Camaro. Let's see if I can get lucky and get one of those. All right, I'm excited. Hope you guys are too. Let's see. All right, now, there we go. Okay, let me get this. Oh. All right, there we go. Let's get the first three. And it looks like we have the Chevy Nova wagon, the twin mill Gen 2, and the Audi right there. But is that the Super version? It is not. Well, it's still a cool new casting. I really like that. That is awesome. Man, I would have liked to have the Super there. But it's still a cool car. The Sport Quattro. Cool. All right. Next three. Let's see what we got here. We got another Chevy Nova wagon. We got a high beam, and we have the old. This out of the way. The old Willys MB Jeep. Good-looking cars. All right. Next three. Ooh, that one's a little beat up. Oh, there's the Sky Dome. That's kind of cool. That's one of the Tokyo 2020 cars. That's awesome. You know, I bet that'd be a fast track car. It's relatively heavy. It's got a nice wide wheelbase. That'd be kind of cool. It's a pretty car. I like that purple. All right. Here's another Audi Sport Quattro. Unfortunately, it's not a Super, but still a cool car. But look at that card. Man. Somebody must have got mad in Malaysia. All right. Next one. That's cool. The BMW K1300R. That's a sturdy looking car. Kind of a crotch rocket there. I like that. All right, next three. Oh, yeah. My daughter's favorite. The Duck and Roll. Pretty quick. Pretty quick down the racetrack. The Porsche Carrera and the Porsche 944 Turbo. Both super cool cars. Super cool. All right, next three. Oh yeah, the Power Rocket, the Hudson Hornet. I was hoping to get another one of these because I opened the last one and I want to save one. That is a beautiful car. And of course it reminds me of cars. The next one is a beautiful new casting. That's 17 Nissan GTR R35. That is cool. I can't wait to see some of the recolors on that one. Okay. Next three. Oh yeah, got another one. Another Hudson Hornet, an 8 crate. Now that's kind of cool. I haven't seen this before. So the neat thing about getting these cases, you get all the cool recolors before you see them in the store. That is amazing. I like that white wall, those white wall tires. Got a nice deco on it. It's awesome. Next, oh yeah, I got another Nissan GTR. Pretty cool. Alrighty, we got the heavy hitcher. We got the Chevy Nova wagon, and we have a hyper rocker. Okay. Next three, we have the Willys MB Jeep. We have a Greenwood Corvette. Oh yeah, that is amazing. This 13 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. That is an awesome car. The wheels, I love it. Good deck on the top. Plastic bottom. That is a gorgeous car. Awesome. Okay. Next three. We got the Chevy Nova. That is awesome, I have to admit. Super sweet, super sweet. We have the Robo Race Robo Car, which is a fast car, as you can see in my first 72 car elimination race. And then we also have the Custom El Camino, which was a fast car. But I really like that recolor on this car. That is beautiful. All right, next three. These are cool. RV There Yet is awesome. I think that's really a cool design. This is cool. Now, this is one thing I wanted to see, this 91 GMC Cyclone. Now that is sweet. And you know, I almost have to think that this is going to be fast because it's heavy. It's got a nice wide wheelbase like that. Yeah. You can pause it and look there. All right. And finally, oh, another one, the Honda S2000. That is pretty cool. Oh man, I hope I get another one. I really want to race it. That is sweet. Here's the back. That's sweet. Okay. Next three. We have the 2 Jet Z, another Greenwood Corvette, and the Linzer Prototype. All pretty cool cars. This is part of the Legends, but I've got all these. Next. Oh, and the bottom of the top here, we got the Nissan GT-R. Oh, this McLaren is pretty amazing. Yeah, that's a beautiful color. Beautiful car. All right, and we also have the heavy hitcher. Okay, let's pull out the divider. And more damaged cards. That's lovely, but that's all right. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. The next three are... Oh, I love that recolor on this Nerve Hammer. That is pretty cool. Look at that. And it's on the track up there, so you know it's fast. That is... I just love those colors. Metal bottom. That is a beautiful car. Okay, and we get another 2 Jet Z. And this total disposal is pretty sweet. I do like the recolor. That's cool. All right, next three. Oh yeah, there's another one of these Ion Motors Threshers, which is that Fast and Furious on Netflix. Sorry about that. That's a beautiful car. Wasn't very fast the one I raced, but let's see, maybe this one will be. And we got a Honda City Turbo 2 and an RV There Yet. Again. All right. Of course I wanted to look at this one more time. This is crazy cool. This is the regular treasure hunt for the H case. Really neat. All right. Anyway, next three. Oh, finally. I got the new recolor on this Jaguar XJ220. I mean, it's such a crazy fast car for a new casting. I mean, it's just, I have like 6 or 7 of them, and, you know, maybe this one will be even faster than the orange variety. We'll see, but it's just crazy fast. I like this Dodge Dart, too. I've seen this in stores here lately. I like the Hyper Rocker, too. Kind of cool. But that Dodge Dart's really an awesome car. All right. Next three. We have the Custom Ford Maverick. Oh yeah, we got another GMC Cyclone, so I can race the other one. And that is interesting. The Cloak and Dagger, but look at that paint job on that sucker. The decos and the... That's a cool car. Okay. Next three, we have the, oh boy, another Hudson Hornet. We got a Chrysler Pacifica. And then this is pretty cool. This party wagon with the Ninja Turtles on it. You know, that is pretty sweet. I like that. It's a light car, yellow-green. It's got a metal bottom. There you can kind of read about it if you want to pause it and look at it. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't think I'll open that unless I get a bunch more. All right, there we go. And the next three. Wow, wait a second. Look at this. The 19 Corvette ZR1 convertible. Now that is an amazing car. Plastic bottom. I mean, it looks fast. Hopefully I'll get another one. I can open it up. And here's the back if you guys want to look at it. Okay. Oh yeah, here's the Datsun Bluebird wagon, the 510. Oh, of course, all these Momos I kind of like. I kind of have them, a lot of them in my collection. That's a cool car. Yeah, that's a neat casting. And then, of course, another duck and roll, which I'll never be unhappy with. Okay, next three. We have the Bone Shaker, we have the Porsche Carrera, and this is what I wanted. That is sweet. The 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. That is pretty impressive and pretty cool. I like those big tires on it. I'm a big Dodge fan, so yeah, that is cool. There's the back of it if you guys want to pause it and look at it. Alright. That's pretty good. Hope I get another one of those. This is cool. That Volvo 850 Estate, that is a cool paint job right there. All the decos and the graphics on it. I like that blue and silver. And those wheels are awesome. Yeah. We also have a cool one, which are surprisingly fast, and another custom El Camino. All right, next three. We have another Porsche 944 Turbo, a custom Ford Maverick, and oh yes, thankfully I got another 2019 Corvette ZR1, and I can race it in an upcoming race, of course. It's just got to be fast, you know. Look at it. Come on, please, just let it be fast. All right. Okay, we're getting towards the end of the case here. We got the HW Formula Solar. I mean, it's neat. Probably not something I would collect. It's got those skinny little wheels on it, so maybe it'll be quick. It's not overly heavy, but we'll see. We got the Linzer prototype again. Oh, good. I can race the party wagon. Maybe it'll be fast. Got two of those. All right. Next, the Rockin' Santa sled. We got the Honda City Turbo 2 and the cool one. Pretty cool castings. And finally, the final three. All right, here we go. We got the Motosaurus. Neat. Oh, the world's longest name of a car. Oh, I like the blue on blue here. Yeah, that's awesome. That's a pretty car. Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. What a name, what a name. Ooh. Finally, the Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT of the HW Hot Truck series. That's cool. I'm really glad I got this. That is a beautiful car. Here's the back. Now, let me pause this for a second. We'll go over my favorite cars. Okay, here are my favorite ones. This Treasure Hunt Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. That is an awesome car. And there is the Flames logo right there. Just a nicely made car and beautiful. I also like this Corvette ZR1. That's just a really pretty car. The Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Very cool car. Or truck. The GMC Cyclone. This, I'm pretty excited about. I want to race it. It's beautiful. It's heavy. And it kind of looks like KITT. All right. Next, the 8 crate. The white walls on it. It's just a beautiful car. I will not open this to race it, but I will enjoy looking at it. This will be opened. The Jaguar XJ220, just a great car. Probably my second fastest car of 2019 as far as the main lines, and 20. This finally is something I'm excited about. I love Dodges, and this 1970 Dodge Power Wagon with those monster tires, just really, I really like it. All right, you guys. I have an upcoming race coming up. It's that 36 car pick your ride that I showed earlier, and there's our king kind of over there looking at the competition. Like I said, be safe out there with coronavirus. Just keep your hands clean and try to stay at home as much as you can for now. All right, you guys. You can stay at home and you can watch my races and videos. Yeah. All right, you guys. Stay safe and take care. See you soon.